Hi, my name's Ed and I'm the founder of Kite Flooring. The best installations almost always start with a showroom visit. And there are some reasons for that, which I'll explain now. Firstly, tiny samples just don't work. Now at Kite, we post out small samples of our laminates and some of our mid-range floors, but the reality is with our high-end floors, we just don't post out samples. And the reason for that is that across all wood flooring, there's always a huge amount of color variation, so you just can't judge floors based on small samples. The second reason why it's super important to come to our showroom is that we can also give you design advice. So many of our clients aren't working with an interior designer. If you come to the showroom, not only can you see large sample boards, but we can also advise on things like herringbone versus plank, the different dimensions, wide, thin. We can also advise on texture, so reclaimed floors, floors with slightly brushing. Do you want a floor with knots in? Do you want a floor that's a prime grade, so has very few knots? All this stuff we can give you advice on. And we know that if you book an appointment with us and come and see us, you can just sort your flooring and find a really beautiful floor that's going to work in your space. And you're also going to have a pretty good flat white as well. So anyway, those are the reasons. And I think, you know, in terms of the next steps to get your flooring sorted and to tick flooring off your to-do list, is to book an appointment with us at our Shoreditch showroom.